attraction and repulsion. ठीक है, as you can see that there is a bar magnet and there are two poles of the magnet, that is called the north pole and south pole. ठीक है, so when a bar magnet is dipped into the iron fillings, the fillings stick to its end, as you can see here. So why? Because the magnetic forces seems to come from the 2 points, and these are called the north pole of the magnet and south pole of the magnets. ठीक है, so that's why we are saying that the magnetic force is strongest at its pole than its center. Okay, so that's why there are more iron fillings, ठीक है, at both north pole and south pole. ठीक है, as you can see here. Now we are talking about के as you know that our topic is about attraction and repulsion. So all the magnets have two poles at south poles and north poles. Now you know that we have studied about different types of magnets. ठीक है, different shapes of magnet, like first one is the horseshoe magnet, ring magnet, bar magnet. ठीक है, these are the artificial magnet, and natural magnet में हमने बात की थी lodestone की. ठीक है, so all the magnets have two poles. The one is called north pole and the second one is called south pole. Is it clear? As you can see here, there are two poles, north poles and south pole. Now the question is that what is attraction? ठीक है, when we are saying that attractions is present between the unlike poles that are different attract each other. So this means the invisible magnetic force will pull the poles together like this. Now you can see here that there are two bar magnets, ठीक है, having the north pole and south pole, and these two magnets, ठीक है, when we if two magnets are brought together, their unlike poles will attract each other, and this is called attraction. ठीक है, now unlike poles here means के we are talking about north pole and south pole. Now these are not the similar poles, these are the unlike poles, these are the different poles. So that's why there is an attraction between the north pole and south pole. Now what is repulsion? When we are saying that के poles that are the same do not attract each other, this will repel each other. This means that they will push each other apart and will not touch or attract each other at all. So in simple words we can say that repulsion is between the like poles. Like poles means having south pole, or we can say that north pole will repel each other. Why? Because the south pole are the same poles or like poles or the similar poles. ठीक है, and same north pole are the like poles, similar pole or same pole. So that's why we are saying that the repulsion is present between the same pole. ठीक है, repulsion force is present between the same poles, like poles, so that's why they will repel each other. Is it clear? Now we are saying that if we hung a bar magnet, ठीक है, यहाँ इस तरह का जैसे वुडन स्टैंड है, there is a silk thread है, there is a bar magnet. ठीक है, बार मैग्नेट को जो है थ्रेड से टाइट करके जो है इसके साथ जो है वुडन स्टैंड के साथ हैंग कर दिया है, एंड यू कैन सी डैट कि वी आर सेइंग डैट के बार मैग्नेट विल when the bar magnet will comes to the rest, it will always point to roughly to the north south. Now what's the reason behind this? The reason behind this is that के देखें, as you can see here, इस केस में भी you can see here when the bar magnets comes to the rest, ठीक है, a suspended bar magnet will point roughly north south. ठीक है, बार मैग्नेट का नॉर्थ साउथ, एंड ये आपके पास जो है जियोग्राफिक नॉर्थ साउथ. नाउ हियर यू कैन सी व्हाट्स द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट देयर आर टू north geographic pole and north magnetic pole. The one is the north magnetic pole of the earth and the north geographic pole. ठीक है, now here you can see that there is a suspended bar magnet having the north pole and south pole, and that is why it comes to the rest, as we have studied recently that there is a attraction force between the unlike poles, north pole and south pole. Here that is the north pole of the bar magnet, and here you can see the south pole of the south geographic pole. So the north, now there is an attraction between the north and south, so that's why the bar suspended bar magnets come to the rest. Is it clear? Here you can see we are saying that geographic north pole is also known as true north pole, and there is a magnetic north pole. Now the magnetic north pole is 700 miles away from date of the true north pole, or we can say that the geographic north pole. Is it clear? Now is it clear ke why, when a freely suspended magnet, why a freely suspended magnet comes to the rest, it always rest in the north south direction, because the magnetic south pole of the earth lies in the geographic north direction, and the magnetic north pole of the earth lies in the geographical south direction, as you can see here. Is it clear now? So that is all about attraction and repulsion.